Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. Here I am at the model exposition at Exporail. And this is the CNE layout, Chemin de Fer Nord-Est, east end of Montreal. I've seen this layout a few times before. Here we have a cool train coming. Unfortunately, they have this plastic, so it kind of ruins it. But you see a CN locomotive and some neat loads. These flat cars. And an intermodal and a third train. A lot of interesting cars on here. Oh, I had to stop. This is a railroad where they focus more on the trains than layout scenery. But eventually I hope to see that they'll do something a little more interesting with the layout. There's a lot of potential with this one. And here we have a cool train with an end cab switcher. Well, I thought it was the end cap switcher. It's not. It's a GP9. And there's an Azur Metro car there too. Even more interesting. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.